This YouTube we are doing about Ginter Grass that people ask me after immediately blaming Israel for what he said. If I found those indications that he will have a stroke, which really he got, they said they feel it is like a punishment. So this is really what I found. So remember, if you remember the last table we saw, it was the best meeting of the Torah of Ginter Grass. As you can see, Ginter Grass coming here. And here we had also the clear description about him. He was a Nazi and Atzorer, the oppressor. And then we saw now, additional interesting thing, Tafshinai, but letter after letter this year. So really what happened to him this year? So we saw here the word Onsho is punishment. In fact, it is not the word law to him. So it was Onsho, punishment, and a Ruah, very small skip about stroke. This is a Ruah stroke. So this stroke, no doubt, is an indication that this is really a bad person, even person Nazi, come together with oppressor, hater of Jews. So no doubt that it's clear indications. It was kind of indication from heaven that this is a punishment to those who are enemies and oppressors to Jews.